The workplace is evolving faster than ever before. Every few decades, innovation forces us to adapt, learn, and evolve. But in 2025, one force stands out above all: artificial intelligence. AI isn't science fiction anymore. It's reality. It's in our smartphones, our homes, our hospitals, our schools, and now it's creeping into our jobs. Some people fear it, others embrace it. But one thing is certain: it's changing everything. Today, we ask a big question: will AI replace human workers? It's not just about robots in factories or smart assistants scheduling meetings. It's about how intelligent machines are beginning to outperform humans in logic, language, decision-making, and even creativity. So, should we fear losing our jobs to AI? Or are we entering a new era of work where humans and machines collaborate to create something even better? Let's find out. This video will be having 5 parts, so let's start with the first segments. Segment 1. How AI is already changing work. AI isn't just coming for our jobs, it's already here. Across industries, AI is performing tasks that used to require human intelligence. In customer service, chatbots answer thousands of queries simultaneously with perfect grammar. In finance, AI analyzes market trends and executes trades in microseconds. In healthcare, AI is scanning X-rays, detecting tumors, and assisting in surgeries with surgical precision. In the legal world, AI reviews contracts faster than any paralegal. In marketing, algorithms write ad copy, design banners, and predict consumer behavior. In logistics, self-driving trucks are delivering goods, and AI systems are optimizing supply chains better than human managers. These aren't future predictions. They're current realities. Companies are investing heavily in AI because it's fast, efficient, and cost-effective. Tasks that once took hours now take seconds. And the results: fewer errors, lower costs, and yes, fewer humans required to get the job done. But that's just the beginning. If you have gotten any value from this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, smash the like button, and turn on the notification bell, so that you get notified anytime I drop video. Don't forget Echo AI love you. Watch out for the part